3 common misconceptions about veganism. Number 1. Vegan food is not tasty. On the contrary, it's not just tasty, but can really be healthy and nourishing as well. Obviously, you can create dishes which don't yield a very healthy or nourishing result, like deep-fried foods, for example. But let's take a look at what makes a dish tasty. There are 3 main components: texture, seasoning, and ingredient combining. Texture. No matter how well a beef stew is seasoned, if the meat is chewy and rubber-like, it will not give a satisfactory culinary experience. Seasoning. The same beef stew, well cooked but a bit over-salted, won't be our favorite either. Combining ingredients. That same beef stew served with sushi and jam will not be the optimal combination. Practically, all meat, dairy, egg-based foods can be mimicked, reproduced, and even improved upon by vegan cooks and chefs using plant-based ingredients alone. In recent years, thanks to the ever-growing interest fueled heavily by the internet, vegan restaurants are popping up every minute, and more chefs are working on broadening the vegan culinary spectrum. We humans tend to be rather skeptical. This is why we'd recommend you to try a variety of vegan dishes and see for yourself. Not all foods will be to your liking, but that's natural. The bottom line is, no matter your culinary preferences, you are sure to find the right vegan meals for you. Vegan food is not adequately nourishing. Well, if you live in potato chips and Oreos, then most definitely not. And adding some pork to that mix won't help you either. The important thing is that you eat a sufficient amount of calories, fiber, protein, carbs, fats, and vitamins on a daily basis. There are many types of diets which limit certain macronutrients, like paleo, Atkins, low-carb, high-fat, high-carb, low-fat. But whatever diet you wish to follow, you can do it consuming vegan foods. There are many vitamins, nutrients, and of course fiber that can only be found in veggies and fruits, so even if you are a meat eater, you should pay attention to getting enough plants in your diet. It is a common misconception that a vegan diet is deficient in protein. How much protein does an average grown-up actually need? About 50 to 70 grams a day. If you are into intense sports training, then you can increase that. And if you are into bodybuilding, well, the sky's the limit. But even in this case, 2 grams per kilo per body weight should suffice. Meaning that a grown man weighing 70 kilos would use 140 grams of protein to get those desired muscle gains. Vegan foods rich in protein: legumes, nuts, seeds, soy products, wheat gluten, broccoli, and a ton more. This chart shows that you can get a sufficient amount of protein on a vegan diet, even if you lead a physically very active lifestyle. It's worth noting that the number of professional athletes switching to a vegan lifestyle is growing, due to the fact that their performance is affected positively by it. They feel lighter, their focus and digestion are better, and their recovery between training sessions is much faster. A vegan diet causes a decrease in sexual desire and performance. On the contrary, people who switch to a vegan diet can lose quite a few kilos in body weight and feel much more inclined and desirable to start with. Their energy levels rise. They feel much lighter and as frisky as a rabbit. Your arteries and blood clear up as well as your skin. Your cholesterol levels drop along with your blood pressure. You can even taste better. What? Yep. Every part of your body welcomes a change, and the effects can be quite visible. There is an abundance of vegan girls, and their numbers grow daily. So get going. Oh yeah.